Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? Kevin has gifted 6 subs. Thank you for the gift subs, Kevin. You already got one button. Here's a few more for you. Appreciate it. And welcome to Juan Cadell and Ram Jaju. Thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. And we got a bunch of people who received subs. Wait, what is their anglicized names? Mao Mao Shu, Misty's Nuts, the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Mewtwo, Noctis, and Crow. Welcome to Subdom. And Drunk Time Lord has resubbed at 15 months. Thank you, Drunk Time Lord. AO largest 4-bit integer. It's true. You're OB1111111. Wait, yeah, 1111. Yes. Wait, 2, 4, 8, 16. Yeah, 1111. I can do bit math sometimes. Kevin has also gifted a sub to Tofufu, who gets a brand new fancy badge. Thank you for yet another gift sub, Kevin. Details is triggering the scam train. Here we go. We're off to a great start on this Friday. Did I say the date? I don't know if I did. It's Friday, May 27th of 2022, and we're back. Yes, it's a Friday. Why are we streaming on a Friday? Usually we don't stream on Fridays. Usually you have work and you're not yet streaming work. We might be doing that next week, by the way. I have some stuff that that I can probably work on in a blocked chunk of time, which makes it a good candidate for stream. But yeah, so news. I will not be streaming tomorrow. My dad and I are going up north, which if you're from Michigan, basically what that means is a good percentage of people that live in Michigan have, that's not Google Maps, what am I doing? Have summer homes, cottages, etc. up north. So we're going to a little town called Wolverine. And that's where my parents have a thing. Kevin. Uh-oh. You're going to break Streamlabs. Sunny Card, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh no, we're gonna have to skip alerts. Kevin, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh no. See, Twitch has no rate limiting for bits. They just let you do this. I guess we're doing a Vim stream. But anyway, I'm going up north for Memorial Day weekend. I have today off work, so I figured I would stream before that. Oh no. It's not stopping. Sunny Car, thank you for the follow. That is somewhere in these notifications. Oh no, my dashboard is so unreadable. Kevin, what are you doing? What happened, buddy? What else? What other news do I have? Oh, you know how I always say on stream that I never read books? I have read one book. And in fact, we open up the beginning of it. This is gonna be impossible to read, but let's see if we can get it to focus. Okay, that's actually kind of readable. You'll notice on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th line, I mentioned as one of the technical reviewers. I am also mentioned in the 3rd to the end paragraph as PyTest Core Dev. So I have a copy of this book and I have read it. But yeah, Brian sent this to me for reviewing it, so I can officially endorse this book as having good content. I also had a copy of, oh wait, what happened to that? I bought a copy of the 1st edition and loaned it to someone at Lyft. Oh, they never gave it back. I didn't even think about that. I should try and track that down. Well, I don't really care. I can just buy another one. Not that I would want a copy of 1st edition, but hey, what's up, Beldothis? Thank you for the bits. Appreciate it. TTS will get to you eventually. We got quite a few Kevins to get through first. What other news do I have? I got some bad news. So, I mentioned previously that I put an offer in on a house, and I also mentioned previously that the offer was accepted. So I got an update on that. I have backed out of the offer. So I am back to looking for houses again. Basically what happened is we did an inspection on the house, which, you know, it's within our rights to inspect the house before confirming the offer and going through all the other stuff. So did an inspection. A bunch of stuff came up that was not on the seller's disclosures, and would have costed a pretty significant chunk of money to fix. And so we went to the seller and we're like, yo, adjust the price because this shit's all fucked and you didn't disclose it. And they're like, no smiley face. And so we're like, all right, peace. not gonna go through with that. Which is fine. I think it's kind of the best solution either way. The other thing is, like, even if they would have adjusted the price, I still would have had to go through all of the work to bring those things up to being, you know, safe and in a state that I would be happy with. So all in all, I think I made the right decision. It's been stressing me the fuck out for the last couple of weeks, and well, not last couple of weeks, last week and a half. So yeah, I'm gonna be back to touring and stuff. This is a little inconvenient for me, unfortunately. The timing of this house would have worked out perfectly in that I would have moved out of my apartment and into the new house, but yeah, that's not gonna work. So yeah, at some point I will be moving out of my apartment and probably storing some stuff at my brother's house and moving into my dad's house for a short amount of time. Yeah, which is not ideal, but it is what it is. That's kind of an update on that. I don't think I have any other news. So yeah, anyway. Let me catch up on chat, which I'm now 7 minutes behind on. Fixer Jake was first today. Crow was here before the stream started. We've also got JJMC and Dean Elsp. This sort of betrayal is not allowed. Wait, what? Oh, I should update the calendar to not have tomorrow. This event. Sure, we'll put one in for today. Surprise stream. Sure. But anyway, Kevin is here, of course. Just got Kevin dinging over there forever. We've also got Beldothis and Mustack. Hello, welcome back. Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? Today is Friday, May 27th. It is indeed. Thank you, Beldothis. Junk Time Lord is also here. You write code, blast me? Yeah, we'll see what we get running in. Tofufu says I come in right after the gift sub. Yeah. Also, yes, I am live because I have the day off. Paulette, welcome to the stream. Morning to you as well. I guess it's afternoon here, but similar. 248 gifted. Oh my god, Kevin. Canada? No, I'm not going all the way to Canada. So up north is like here, or you could go to the Yoop. There's like nothing up north. I might go to Mackinac Island. That might be something we do tomorrow. I think the most of the plan is my dad and I are going to be installing a electric car charger in the garage of the cottage. So that's gonna be a thing that we do. Hopefully we don't get electrocuted. No. We're both good at electrical stuff, so it's not gonna be a big deal. Oramus, hello, welcome. Yeah. Hey, we finally got there, Beldothis. We finally got there. You could rate limit him. I actually don't think you can rate limit bits, because you can also send bits during emote only mode and sub only mode, and well, and if you're a VIP, you kind of can bypass both of those. So, and even if you can't, I'm pretty sure you can send bits during restricted modes. Hey, that gets you to 250. There you go, Kevin. Thank you for the gift sub to Baby Astronaut and the G that gives. Welcome to Subdom. Ollie, welcome back. Hello. Is this book stream or Vim stream? Well, we'll get to Vim at some point. Hey teams, hello, welcome back. What are we building today? That's a good question, Mustack. That's a very good question. Off screen already. I don't know what we're gonna work on today. We'll see. I have a bunch of like small things to do, so maybe we'll do some of those. John MV1, thank you for the resub at 4 months with Prime. Appreciate your continued support. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. More ATI says house buying? Yeah. Glad you did an inspection first? Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. It would have been many tens of thousands of dollars damaged. Well, not damaged, but deferred maintenance. Put it that way. This is making me anxious. I'm trying to buy a house right now myself. Oh my god, it's so much work. It's so much work. Isn't it not the best moment to buy a house right now? Yeah, right now is a terrible time to buy a house. Because interest rates are high. House prices are inflated. The market is down. The stock and asset market is down. The only thing that's up is real estate. No. The worst part for that seller is now they have to disclose that to any new potential buyer. Well, I mean, they should have in the first place, so I don't think that's a bad situation for them, but yeah. How many beds / baths are you looking for in a house? Personally, I don't care. The house that I just rescinded my offer on was, I think, 4 or 5. It was either 4.4 or 5.5 with a half bath. One of the two. I don't remember. Some number bigger than 2, which is basically the minimum that I would want. But choo choo. Oh, do we still have the emote thing up? Did I not turn that off? It's still there. Maybe we'll just leave it. I don't know, man. Also, Dot, hello, welcome. How long it has been for TTS? Yeah. New gift badge. Oh my god, they changed it. They have 50 increments now. Ooh, you can rate limit him by timing him out. Oh, true. I didn't think about that. I did not think about that. Real Obja, hello, welcome. Venix, hello. You wear in your videos a colored GitHub t-shirt. I can't find it online. Was it limited? It might have been. Let's see. I did not buy it online. Is it this one? Because I have the Universe t-shirt, but I also have this one, but in a different color. Like I have the blue version of this. But this one's kind of nice. But I have, oh, they got rid of the t-shirt here. Okay, well, yeah, that was given to me by GitHub. Actually, I have 3, 4 GitHub shirts now. All given to me. One of them is Universe 2019. One of them is Universe 2021, and one of them is what is it called? Bug Bounty. I think I also have one from what's that thing? The README project, but yeah. Deferred maintenance sounds like tech debt. Yeah, it's basically in real life tech debt. Basically in real life tech debt. Yeah. But I've roughly gifted you $1,250 worth of subs compared to Pokemon Sims. That's nothing. Yeah. Are we invited to the housewarming party? Well, we'll see when I get a house. I'll definitely do a tour or whatever. How are you doing, Steve Bandito? Good to see you again. Which video was it? Requirements versus constraints. I wear that shirt a lot, so. Was it the is it the blue one or is it the spindly one? Anthonywritescode requirements constraints. I actually sent this video to a coworker yesterday, literally yesterday. Oh yeah, this is the GitHub Universe 2021 shirt. Yeah, so limited edition, and it's gone now. They don't sell anymore. There's a sweatshirt version of it though. Hey, no rate limiting. Yeah. We'll have to go for a $4,000 Christmas gift-a-thon. Oh, no. I might do a subathon at some point. As for that, maybe that feels like a mistake. Unpacking slash moving stream? I don't even know how I would do that. I'm booking a flight to Michigan if we're invited to the eventual new house. One quick question. Do you have any video on how to connect and control SSH in Python? I do not. There's a library for it that one of my friends maintains. Fuck, what is it called? And it's like some name that you wouldn't think. My brain is like blocking out the actual name and just telling me Kinbiko, which I know is not correct. Paramiko, that's what it is. Yeah. This is generally what I recommend people use. But LGPL, good luck. I don't know. I usually just presses. That works well enough for me. Billionaire doing a subathon? I mean, look at all of the other Twitch streamers that do subathons. Like, is it not just is that not just the status quo on Twitch? Is pseudo invited? Otherwise, I might not be able to attend. I don't know that I'm actually inviting people to my house. Let's let me keep it a stack. Don't know if that is a thing, but anyway. Like that pre-commit issue. Commit message not passing all parameters. They searched the issue tracker for yes. Yeah, that is true. They did not read the docs. Pair commit message. Where is the thing that tells them the environment variables? It doesn't say here. Oh, maybe it's not documented. That would be shit. Oh, looks like the person who wrote this didn't document it. That sucks. I gotta look up what the variables are. Is it in run? Probably. NG Dev, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Huh. They were supposed to be here. Maybe it's in hook and pull. Repair. It just drops the rest of them on the floor. Yep. That is based on files. For now, the additional non-file arguments are discarded. There's precedent for other hook types for these arguments along. For example, we commit remote name. We commit remote name for pre-push. Looks like these were just not implemented for prepare commit message. Please send a patch to add those if you'd like support for those as environment variable. Places to look are and grep around for pre-commit remote name and follow the path. There. Anyway. Be well with the 14-hour drive. Oh my god. You should do these fancy titles on YouTube for clicks. Writing Python as a soon-to-be house owner. But the cringe. Hello MTV, welcome to my crib with Andy Writes Code on. It's updated version. Hello, hello. Will your future house have a pool for hot tub streams? I wasn't necessarily planning or looking for one, but I don't know. I could always set up a hot tub. Easy to do. Did I miss any cool house news or Memorial Day stuff? Yeah, I withdrew my offer. And I'm skipping stream tomorrow. Because I'm hanging out with my dad and going up north. Yeah, that's all you missed. Hey, what's up, Bitvestment? Hello, hello. But yeah. Anyway, I guess it's not okay. But yeah, surprise stream today. No stream tomorrow. I might stream on Sunday. I don't know. We'll see. And since Monday's Memorial Day, I'll probably stream earlier in the day. Let's just do this. No promises on this actually being the time, but that's what we're planning to do. Oh, I guess also, next Saturday, we're doing a sponsored stream with Microsoft. I am going to be setting up some serverless stuff to do stream overlays, or at least that is the plan. And we are also streaming with Citrus later in the day. I don't know what time that's going to be. We're hopefully going to be finishing off It Takes Two, which will be fun. This is where the magic happens. Gestures to office and desktop. Every room in the house, baby. Sorry to hear that. I suppose. Yeah, it's kind of a bummer, but at the same time, like I think I made the right decision. So, yeah. I'm currently working on a Flask app that interacts with the database. How do I replicate? Say 3 times. How do I replicate it so that I can have more availability and all the good stuff? I mean, assuming that your app's stateless, you would just run 3 copies of it, preferably in different availability zones, or, well, I would say regions, but yeah. I don't know. run several copies. Ensure your app doesn't maintain state of memory. And you're usually pretty good. Kevin says, in fact, thinking about it, you should probably change your intro as well. Whenever someone raids the channel or you start a new stream, just be like, hey, I'm Anthony, an X Yelp, X Lyft, X Stripe engineer. Oh, you're gonna miss the stream, Armis? Bummer. Oh well. The Interstellar song, it's true. Okay. I've scammed enough Vim time out of you. Let's actually do something. I want to look at this bug today, which we ran into on stream. So we're gonna work on babi, just so that I can. Oh, I can't spell. Say quit. Just so that we actually get something done. What language am I coding in today? I don't know. What is this? Oh, that was my reload test, probably. What are you? From typing import A, from typing import B, x equals 1. Don't know what that is. What's t2.py? The same thing. What's in XDG? Was this when I was playing around with themes? Yeah. XDG config home equals with XDG VM bin babi. Oh, this is this was the original notebook theme. I forgot about this. And then this was probably the fixed one? No? What is this? Pink theme. Hey, what's up, Octavius? Oh, hello, welcome back. It's okay, you just scammed me out of 22 minutes of him. Yeah, somewhere around there. But it replicate the database reads and writes. Well, you would probably scale your database separate from your app. Would be my recommendation. Are you writing Zig again today? You know, a lot of nopes in the chat. Functional. Clojure again? Clojure with a J? This is fun? Oh no. Why is this fun? Alright, what is in this to-do file? Saving order over a file that's not UTF-8 crashes. Byte order marker. Linting reload borks this. Oh, we fixed this. We fixed this. Yay. Byte order marker. Should we try and fix that too? OCaml? OCaml was yesterday. Scala was last week. Not Clojure. Are you writing you a Haskell? I don't know too many other functional languages. This theme is good. That way you can't tell if your eyes are bleeding or the editor. Oh no. Hey, what's up, Niram? Hello, hello. Get bull. Let's fix the Zig quit problem. Let's first demo it though. So if we Control T, Control backslash, we quit. Not Haskell, but if you squint, you could mistake it for it. Google's shitty functional programming languages. Let's see. What do we got in popular ML languages? Well, destroying this is really obnoxious. I don't know why they did that. Delphi? That's functional, right? Prolog, Scratch. I don't even know. I don't think Julia is functional. Some flavor of Lisp? I don't even know. Citrus! Man, I love Python. Knows absolutely nothing about Python. Welcome to most Python programmers. How you doing, Citrus? Good to see you again. Racket. Idris, says Pelgrin. Lua? Would Lua even count? Dude, I don't know. Something so obscure that we're not gonna be able to get it. Okay, but editor broken. How do fix? Oh god, we've broken so many things here. Where does that happen? In screen? Yeah, somewhere in here. We set no break somewhere. Where is that? C break. Here we go. So this is the problem. We set C break, and what C break makes it change to is it now has signal handlers again. C break, curses, C break. I think that's the problem. I thought it was Saturday today, and as a result, I was late to work. Oh no, I'm so sorry. if I contributed to that, oh no, I have a day off today. It does feel like a Saturday. Oh no. Oh, that sucks. It compiles to JavaScript? That doesn't narrow it down because there's like Inscript and shit for a lot of stuff. God, hopefully it's not CoffeeScript. Wait, Elm? Oh, we found it. We found it. We found it, chat. Damn, that took forever. Oh, Citrus. Wait, I made this because because the Streamlabs one doesn't have animated. So now you can do this, and they're animated. Blame Anthony. Oh no. I'm sorry. It was pretty embarrassing. Man, the number of times where I've thought it's the wrong day of week and either not shown up to work or shown up to work on a Sunday or Saturday. I haven't done that in a while, but at Yelp, oh my god, so many times. So many times I showed up to work on the wrong day of the week. How did I do that? So it's actually really cool. I'm gonna be making it more readily available soon. But you actually don't need to run any software. That's the best part of it. So actually, you just open it. I really need to make another Twitch account so that I can demo this without where is it? Not this project. Okay, but the way it works is, oh, I didn't want to do that. The way it works is you just have to, oh god, what have I done to my VM? You basically just have to put your username in. So anthonywritescode-vods, and the channel you want, Anthony writes code, and you have to put in an OAuth token, which I'll just copy paste one real quick. Oh, that's not where that is. There we go. The problem is I gotta be really careful with showing this window because if you copy the full URL out, then hang on, let me decode the base 64 that I can see on the screen and make sure it doesn't show my token. And so you'll have to look at my face for a little bit. a64.b64 decode. Okay, that's good. Wait, why is that at the top? That doesn't seem right. About this chunk. Is this chunk safe to show? Incorrect padding. Okay, this is safe to show. Okay. So you submit that form and it gives you this data URL. So this is basically a website, but it's entirely self-contained. It's an HTML file and a URL. Oh, I gotta show my face again because I'm not sure if this also shows away or gives away the things. Sorry. This is why I need a separate account. Oh, it comes very close to showing it, but it does not. Okay. So you basically just put this URL into a browser source in OBS or Streamlabs, and then yeah, it logs into the stuff for you. You don't have to run a server. It just works. Which is pretty cool. And I'm hoping to make a bunch more overlays that work the same way. Basically just, you know, put in creds and it gives you a URL that you can just put directly into OBS without needing to, like, you know, connect to Streamlabs or run stream avatars or like any of those sorts of things. It'll just kind of work. At least that's the plan. Elfenrod, thank you for the resub at 4 months in a row. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. And Sudoto, thank you for the follow as well. But yeah, that's how it works. And the code's like pretty straightforward. It basically just connects to Twitch chat in JavaScript. Oh, I should open this in Vim because I scam so much time. So this is like the setup code that powers the little input form. This little input form here. That's what this is here. And then this is all the code that it takes to connect to Twitch. That's basically log into Twitch and this is so that it doesn't disconnect. And then this is parsing the emotes out of the message and just creates some elements and animates them. So it's pretty. It just kind of just works. It was a crazy idea that I had while falling asleep. I was like, I wonder if this works. And it just does. Why does the overlay, the actual on-stream one, have a weird desaturation as it fades? Is it this one or is it that one? It might be. Is it the actual overlay or is it the? That looks fine. Wait, let me open up just about blank. See if it's the one. Is it the stream one or is it the? Oh yeah, that is weird. Probably just because I suck at CSS animations, but that part's easy to fix. I think it's because I'm animating opacity and I really want to animate one of the other things as well. But the other thing is the desk. The desk in A2C Bongo is actually off-white, so it is fading it to gray, which I think makes sense, but I don't know. But anyway, it works. Kind of neat, kind of nifty. But, Kevin says, currently building a Wordle clone so I can showcase recruiters my ability to create $1 million ideas. Oh my god. Hey, what's up, Senpais? Hello, hello. Welcome back. Sudota says, hello, friend. Do you know of any site that talks about mobile development? I'm starting in that area and I'm pretty lost. There's so many tutorials online. I actually don't know much about mobile development myself. I made a mobile app in like 2012 that I kind of just hacked shit together until it worked. And I haven't really, well, I did a little bit of mobile dev in 2013 also, but I haven't worked on that app since then. I don't think it works anymore, but I made this, actually, let me see if I can find images from it. The idea behind it was, it was kind of like almost like a Instagram, Snapchat filter thing, but before that shit existed. But the only filter it supported was it allowed you to take photos of cats and overlay them on top of images to hide alcohol. At least that was kind of the designed reason for making the app. No, I'm on Facebook. That's how far back I have to look for this. Mobile uploads. Surely it's in this, right? Yeah. Oh, here's like a bad demo photo of the app. This is from when I was an intern at Yelp. You can't tell that my hair is blue here. But yeah, there were a few beers in the photo that we wanted to hide. This was right around when was it Samsung or was it Apple? One of them was suing the other for pinch to zoom, and we were memeing because we implemented pinch to zoom in our app. CTY Junior says, hey, can you explain this to me visually if possible? Variables in object-oriented programming versus variables in procedural programming. They're not actually different. I do have a video on this. So, shoot, what is this one going to be? Copy? Is it this one? Assign versus, yeah, check out this video, CTY. I kind of go over the topic there. And there is visuals. I did some MS Paint drawing. Not gonna lie, you streaming so early today is throwing off my internal clock. Oh no. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Hack shit together till it works. Sounds like you're up to date on mobile development. Oh no. It was already messed up and now it feels more messed up. My clock's been all messed up too. Well, now it's like sunny at 9 p.m., which like I'm not mad about, but at the same time I'm like, oh, it's not quite sleep time yet. Hey, what's up, Slightly By? Hello, hello. Welcome back. That's some freshman CS major shit right there. Oh, I wasn't a CS major until my 3rd year in school. I sorta jammed my major into 2 years, which I would not recommend. But yeah, I did my CS major in 2 years, which it was a lot. Okay, since you guys probably, since I sort of debated you with the blue hair, I'll find a photo of it so you can see just how blue it was. God, this image is so cringe. What? You know what? For chat, sometimes we do stuff that's cringe. Hey, what's up, Kahawa? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Baby Anthony? Yeah. That face when your internal clock is synced to Anthony's streams feels bad, man. Oh no. Somehow OBS doesn't take the CSS opacity, but somehow divides out the background color. Maybe that's how it works. Don't know. What about setting the background color to green? That might work, Taruk. I was meaning to ask, when is the stream when we review anthonystilley.com? Oh my god. Yeah, I need to update this as well. I just have so many projects that I never finish. Yeah, I haven't updated this since 2012. So it's a little out of date. Welcome to my recently updated website. Press X'd out on that one. I'm currently a student at the University of Michigan studying computer science and biochemistry. Yeah, this was true. I had just started my computer science degree, and I had not stopped my biochemistry degree. Also a mistake. But also there's this great photo. Yeah. I think some of these are broken. I don't think this link loads anymore. This link doesn't load anymore. This one does, but only for me. You guys can't see this for whatever reason. Oh, wait, did I update it? No, I didn't. Yeah, I gotta do that at some point too. There's just not enough hours in the day. This both of you said background color. It basically tries to chroma key the background color to be transparent. Oh. Here's my cake making progression. Okay. This is actually cake. I did double check before just opening it. Okay, well, you gotta start somewhere. It's so mean. I didn't mean to be like that. Bring out some emo vibes. I mean, I'm just living my true life, you know? This is kind of like a, while you were partying, I was studying the Blade vibes. No. There's no way you weren't in a Blink-182 cover band. I tried to get one together, but no one would play with me. We were also going to be a Flowbots cover band. Oh, actually, there is another me with colored hair that's more recent. Where is the? There we go. This is only a couple years old. This is during the pandemic. So there's definitely, oh man, I've been on so many podcast episodes, although I haven't in like a year. I should ping Brian and be like, yo, are we gonna do some podcasting? Yeah, let's go. But yeah, there's purple. I don't know where I have a higher res version of this. Maybe I have that are small. What if we just change this to large? Nope. Of course not. Anyway. But yeah, there was purple. Speedy Astro, hello. Are you doing Python? Yeah, kind of. 0 out of 10, no Umbreon? Minecraft, yeah. Lon says, having a number of unfinished projects feels familiar. I mean, most of my open source things are fairly well finished, but voluminous hair, yes. Yeah, I basically have to do like thinning shears on my hair because otherwise it all just is big floof ball. But during pandemic, I didn't get my hair cut, so it went nuts. But I3LJ, hello. New to the stream, is there any bang project command? Yes, if you do bang project, it will yeah. It's not up to date because I don't really know what I'm doing today. we're off topic now, but oh, you can tab complete. Oh, that's cool, I guess. But we might be working on the WebSocket stuff later. Wait, what did I get bonked for? The cake is alive? It did look like a cake. The purple? Yeah. That was during the first 24-hour stream that we didn't actually finish. I'm dying. I love the emo look. I mean, that's just who I am. Show them the damn progression. Wait, did you post another cake photo? Oh, okay. We have another cake. Okay. I did. Okay, this one looks much better. I didn't mean to just roast you and then leave it. Okay. Okay, you have progressed. I approve. I didn't mean to leave you hanging like that. When are you starting your own podcast? Oh. So actually, related to that, we might have a special guest on the stream in a few weeks and do some podcast style content. I'm not going to start a podcast. If I start a podcast, send me this clip and tell me to stop because I'm not starting my own podcast, but I will be guests on whoever's podcast. But we might be doing some blah 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 kind of Q&A style content, but programming related. Ryson, thank you for the follow. Welcome. About a piece of tech that I don't use, which is also kind of funny, but I don't want to give too much away in case it doesn't happen. That would just be kind of disappointing. Stigs, hello, welcome back. Edwin, how you doing? 24-hour streams are so easy. Me 10 years ago. Now if I don't go to sleep at 11, I feel like shit in the morning. Oh no. Sweden is only 30 years old. IKEA. Yeah, Kevin Kevin is just IKEA. One would hope I improved over the range of 12 years. Yeah. Did you buy this idea? Buy this from IKEA. I don't think IKEA sells cakes, do they? Levi says, since Anthony is streaming, I guess I should work and be productive. I feel like I'm being called out here. But yes. Anyway. Okay, so bug in text editor due to cbreak. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's see what cbreak is. Oh, we have a notification as well. We'll look at that. Net Camus, thank you for the follow. Welcome. I guess we'll look at the curses doc. Sure. cbreak. Only the TTY direct browsers, characters. Okay. Disables line buffering and erase kill character processing. The no cbreak routine turns the terminal back to normal cooked mode. What the fuck does that mean? Oh, cooked mode. Hey, what's up, Choco? Hello. Sag, what's Sag? What? What are we Sag about? I keep getting distracted by the emote overlay. If it was the call out, I would have thrown 51 bits at it. Showed anything when he inevitably starts a podcast? No, we're not doing it. Not gonna happen. Okay, so somewhere in here we set it to cooked. Wait. cbreak sets it into cook mode. No, cbreak sends it into... cbreak overrides raw. Wait, so there's cbreak, no cbreak, and raw. I'm using cbreak and raw, which makes me think that I'm not doing this correctly. Maybe that's my bug. Sag about going back to work instead of distractions. Well, I mean, chat can always provide infinite distractions, and we can definitely get there. Oh, Ryan hasn't poked at this in a while. Ooh, pass proto 2 buff. Look at the proper config RAM. It looks like it can only accept one file at a time. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah, there isn't a mode for that. You can use xargs -n. Oh wait, how is that gonna work? /c echo $@ x1 or something like that. There's an issue somewhere, but I'm streaming right now, so I can't find it. In reality, I'm just lazy. Sorry, Ryan, if you watch this, I'm just being lazy. Ryan's my friend. Okay, wait, what is the difference between, is there a no raw? Is that what I actually want? Oh, there is no raw. Do I want no raw? What happens if I change this to no raw? Oh. Okay, we're in Vim. We're using the arrow keys in Vim because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so the problem is we control T and then control \. Nope, that definitely is not what we want. Does control C still work though? Control T, control C. Okay, so that works fine. But that does not. I think I need to set a signal handler for sig quit and ignore it. Yeah. No raw. Yeah, sounds right. Normal what mode? Cooked mode. Hey, what's up, Mohamdi? Hello, hello. And Elfinrod. Integrated Sentry for a backend last week. Performance insights are great. Nice. I'm glad you enjoyed the product. If you want to talk with me more about it and things that you like, or if there's any feedback you want me to pass along, I'm always happy to do that. But yeah, cool to hear that you're using my work product. I actually don't use it myself, which is kind of funny, but Snipe Bunny, hello. I should set it up at some point, but alas. Finally. So we kind of have a context manager for this already. We should probably have another one for the signal handling. We already skipped this on Windows, I'm pretty sure, so it's not a huge deal. Sig quit orange equals signal.signal. Sig quit signal.sig IGN. And then we need to restore it. We will restore it in the same order. Signal.signal, sig quit orig. I don't know why I used the Vim things there. Okay, so control C. That still works? Yes! Yay, it works! That was easy. I didn't think it would be that bad. Would Sentry be useful for auto update day? I think Sentry would mostly so I have a few things that I look at manually right now, which are a pain in the ass. I can log into AWS. I have a few things that I look at manually right now that are kind of a pain in the butt. Prod? Yeah, I'm prod, sure. So I was riding my bike this morning and oh, this poor person. I usually listen to, the same, oh, you can see I'm a fan because I listen to the same, like, I don't know, 1,000 emo songs. That's probably the best way to put it. Shitty pop punk songs, and I don't know, when there's a good jam, I'll just sing it because whatever, fuck it, who gives a shit. I'm past the point of caring about external perception. And there's a I basically what happened is I transitioned from a song that I was not wanting to sing to a song that I wanted to sing, and it was like dead silent, and the person in front of me got so spooked. I felt so bad. I was like, oh, sorry. But this happens a lot when I bike. Anyway, okay, so yeah, the things that I usually look at for errors right now is like my manual error handling that goes to this log. This is one of the things I look at. So like we can see that GitHub had an outage this morning. This is actually their second outage. Their first outage was here. GitHub had an outage this morning that started at no, this is not the first one. Where's the rest of the log lines? Older events, here we go. Yeah, so GitHub had an outage this morning that started around 1. Oh no, this is the other bug that they have. Where's the 3 a.m. ones? Because that was when I got paged. Wait, 3 a.m. minus 4. Oh, these are the 3 a.m. ones. So GitHub had an outage this morning where their servers ground to a halt, and my stuff noticed it 40 minutes before theirs did, which is always fun. GitHubstatus.com. So we look at incident history. They mentioned at... Oh wait, this is different. They've updated the times here. Oh no, this is the one. Yeah. Wait. Oh yeah, they updated the times here. Anyway, we noticed before GitHub did. But yeah, this is my current error management that I manually looked up, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. That's one of the things I look at. The other thing that I look at is this, and then I search. I don't even remember how I do this. Search log group error. Oh, first we want to do like 12 hours and search for error. This is the other way I look up errors, and it's a pain in the butt. It's not fun. And usually it returns nothing, and it takes forever, and it's like, oh, I got one error. Oh, where are you? Unprocessable entity. Get installation access token. Oh, I think we have handling for this that I should probably copy over to there. Like, I don't check this very often, is the other problem. Run there. Git grep 422. 422. Yeah. So sometimes GitHub will send us events for repositories that no longer exist or repositories that are deleted. Which is just a pain in the ass. So I probably just need to add this handling that, but it's not a big deal if it errors and I just ignore it. So yeah, but basically I would set up sentries so that I don't have to think about this or check this or scroll through this, and I would get alerts when I break stuff, and it would just be way better than what I have right now. But there's only so many hours in the day. Kevin Writes Code says, I had an emo error. Some of my favorite bands were Silverstein, Red Jumpsuit Apparatus, Done by April, and Bullet for My Valentine. Yeah, that's a good list. That's a pretty good list right there. I just love being able to return a GUID to a user so that they can report, and I can view the entire stack trace, request body, headers, etc. So I don't have to rely on shitty user reports. Yeah, that's pretty good too. Hydrogen 12 Pacific. Other than an obvious bias, why would you use Sentry over setting up CloudWatch alerts? Well, I currently have CloudWatch alerts, and it's a lot of work to get what I have, and it's still not sufficient. Whereas I could add just like one dependency and one line of code and be done with it. I'd have to pay money. That's the main trade-off, is like I maintain a bunch of my own infra versus I let the experts do it for me. Agara, hello, what are you working on? We actually just fixed a little bug. Let me show you the bug. So if we use, well, this is an alias to the stable version of Babi, So if I do nano Babi screen, if I run the linter, so normally the linter runs it in the background, it lints for a while. I guess it's resetting up argument hooks, so it's going to take a little bit longer. But normally it's a little bit quicker. Yeah, so it runs the linting in the background, and you can interrupt it with Control-C. And I did that by, allowing keyboard interrupt to be picked up and then handled. But by enabling keyboard interrupt, I also enabled sig-quit, which is control backslash, which if you don't know, is this the right video link? Yes. So there's how many times have you been in a piece of software that looks like this? While true, try, climb.sleep, .1, except sure, we'll leave the typo, whatever. How many times have you been in software? Oh, double quotes, stupid double quotes. How many times have you been in software and you want to kill something, but it doesn't let you control C it? So obnoxious, right? Someone put an overly broad except statement or incorrect keyword interrupt handler. What you can often do is instead of control C, you can do control backslash, which is not covered by common signal handlers and triggers sig-quit. And yeah, well, it gives you an opportunity to kill it. Yeah, so that's what was happening here, is sig-quit was not being handled and bubbling up and killing the editor. So, and then breaking the terminal. So basically what I did instead is, I don't think I needed to change this. Maybe I won't do that, but maybe I'll put that back. I don't know. But basically what I did is I set a signal handler for sig-quit. I told it to ignore sig-quit before I enter the non-raw mode, the cooked mode, which I don't completely understand cooked versus raw, other than some key strokes get passed through and some don't. Orzerg! Thank you for your 9 months of subdom. Appreciate your continued support and your fancy new badge. It's good to see you again. Cyber Benny, hello, welcome back. The alert, yeah, the alert is based off of pre-commit. So it's this. We're actually going to be improving those soon, because I want to animate them and I want to not use Streamlabs for them and some other stuff that I want to do. But oh, Chaco, have you seen my emote overlay thing? I don't have PTTV yet. Have you seen my emote overlay thing yet? Clinton Bond, thank you for the sub with Prime. Appreciate that. I don't think so. Okay, so this thing that's happening right now is not the Streamlabs one. I wrote this myself. The way it works is actually really cool. I'm really happy with it. Not here. So basically the way it works, shush, go away. Is you put in your username for your chatbot. So Anthony Writes Code Bot and Anthony Writes Code, and you put in an OAuth token, which you have to look at my face while I do this. Bear with me, let me just copy paste. We need to copy paste the whole thing. Risky. Okay, so you paste in an OAuth token here, and you click this submit button here, and it gives you a data URL. So you don't need any sort of browser, or you don't need any sort of server or Streamlabs or any of that other stuff. It just gives you a data URL, which you can, that doesn't contain the actual secrets part of this, which you can just put as a browser source, and you basically just have a yeah, an overlay without needing Streamlabs and without needing a server running, which is kind of nifty. But yeah, just it connects to Twitch directly without needing to do anything else. And hopefully I didn't show my creds. But if someone's gonna type out, oh shit, I closed chat. That's not what come back, chat. It's the drop song. Daybay, how you doing? Wholesome thought, are you heading out? Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you. But yeah, that's my serverless overlays, which I'm gonna hopefully finish at some point. Make them better and actually work. Okay. Origin main. Oh, we already checked out a branch. Okay, cool. Disable sigquit mode when exiting raw mode. No, sigquit handler. Yes. Cool. That should fix that problem. Oh, I have to sneeze. Not the sneeze. Okay, anyway. Results 245. So I have a sneaking suspicion that CI is going to fail here. Because I think tmux might be broken in Ubuntu 2204. Which actually I could just try that. We have the technology. Irv420, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. The Stitches, how you doing? Now I'm slightly nasally. This was not my intention. Oh, I hope I'm not getting sick. I don't know how I'd get sick. I haven't really done anything. Other VM that I still haven't migrated to. We set this up weeks ago. I still haven't done it. Allergies? Well, I haven't gotten tested in a while, but the rest of my family, well, last time I got tested, the rest of my family is pretty prone to allergies, notably my brother and my dad. They're allergic to like fucking everything except for dogs, which is why my family grew up with dogs. And here's the drop chat. But I went to the allergy doctor and they like, you know, they prick like a checkerboard on your back. And my brother's back was just like all bubbles except for like 3 or 4 that weren't bubbles. None of mine swelled up. So I was allergic to basically nothing. I don't know if that's changed, but at least at the time I was not allergic to things. PyTest. That's not tmux. Oh no, we want tmux. Yeah, because oh. Yeah. Anthony is now allergic to literally breathing. Yeah, that'd be pretty bad. In my country, they do it on the arm. Yeah, so they did some on my arm and they also did them on my back, and neither of them showed up. Broadcom buying VMware and about to strip it for parts if the news is to be believed. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I don't use VMware, so I'm not super concerned about it. Oracle already bought VirtualBox. Was that an acquisition? Was that an acquisition? Oracle purchasing VirtualBox. Was VirtualBox separate? I thought it was developed as part of Oracle. Or did they acquire it through some like license thing? Sun bought VirtualBox. Oh. I guess if I go to Wikipedia, that would probably give me the answer. VirtualBox. Oracle VM VirtualBox, formerly Sun VirtualBox. Innotech. Okay. I guess that makes sense. Well, I guess that makes sense. Let's see if those pass. Yeah, I guess it makes sense. I like that my former company is the first suggestion for Oracle purchase. Oh, nice. Nice. I've never had allergies in the spring, but the last few years I've been feeling stuffy around this time of year. We're running out of VM software options on Windows hosts. I think WSL might be contributing to that. And the end result is Oracle owns VirtualBox and new extensions are all commercial only. But I don't really use extensions other than the like camera drivers. Bad Shell Dude, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. And those are all open source. You have experience with other VMs. Are there better ones, performance, which are not free? I have used VMware on macOS. I've used Parallels on macOS. I started trying to use the QEMU one. I don't remember what it's called. macOS M1 virtual machine QEMU. What is it called? UTM. Yeah, I started using UTM. I haven't really used it enough to actually form an opinion on it. But someone in chat suggested it, so I decided to try it. Seems fine so far, but I haven't really done much with it. I don't know. They've all been like kind of shit in various ways. I don't think there's any good virtualization software. Okay. As predicted, this is failing. That's weird. Not implemented, no raw. Oh. Okay. Oh god. It's a bloodbath on 20. This probably means tmux is broken, to be honest. But I guess this is not on 20 of yet. Let's just not change that. Since presumably it was working before. Oh, my bank is calling me, so I will be right back. All right, we're back. Hello. Sorry, my bad. This is my stream now. No. Pizza OG Kebab, thank you for the follow. Welcome. I am Andy's computer and I'm here to tell you that Python is the most superior language in the land. Oh no. But I can only tell lies. Yeah, okay, so that was just my mortgage lender being like, oh, heard the bad news. When you find a new home, we'll redo your loan rates, blah blah blah. I was like, yeah, I know. I understand. I can't lock in a rate on a mortgage that doesn't exist on a house that I'm not purchasing, so such is life. Proxmox is basically QEMU on hyper mode. It's not great. Oh, so it's not a recommendation. Got it. Lun says, I'm curious about this as I'm starting to consider adding my first virtual server. Oh, I don't know anything about virtual servers. But yeah, neat. Ezekiel, welcome back. Hello. I do streams. It is true. RIP the lower interest rates. So I don't know. We'll see what happens with that. Because interest rates have been going like kind of up, kind of down. And admittedly, I was not locked in at such a great rate, but House is such so much work, but it's in theory worth it in the end. But yeah. Ashubi says we use Procmox at work and it works fine for us. Nice. Well, I'm glad that works well for you. Let's make sure that this still passes. Oh. Those are all Fs? Why are those all Fs? No C break. Wait, no, I did the wrong one. But also... Question mark? Here we go. Okay. So that should get that pass. That'll make CI pass. I have to fix it on 2204 at some point. Let's actually see what's wrong here. Why it mad? Insertion errors. This probably means tmux broke something again. Does undo redo clear selection? Let's try this test and see what happens here. Oh, is it just the coloring tests? It might just be the coloring tests. Okay. Line 1, adder line. Should stop somewhere in here. Where the fuck is the end of it? Here. -1, -1, 0. Weird. It has a different width. It is not the correct width. That's kind of weird. Width 20. But this looks like width 84. Or width 80. Yeah. Fuck. Oh, tmux, why do you do this? Oh, I hate when they just break features like this. I don't even know how this works either. Why are you with 80? Oh, well, we'll debug this. We'll try and figure out what's wrong. It's probably tmux being broken, but we'll see. We'll see. Proxmox is just annoying because it kind of expects you to pay for it, and there's no nice way to deal with the free version. Oh. Annoying having to dismiss that pay for this please box every time. We also moved to Proxmox from Zen server, so it would have to be really, really bad to be a worse experience than Zen, yeah. It's a Borean Dorian, hello, hello. Now to some bash programming. Nah, hopefully not. Test, conf test. Let's see what command. Features conf test. Should be a tmux runner in here somewhere. This is the fake runner. Run tmux, prints error runner. Where is width and height? Class runner. Oh, that comes from Hecate. Hecate runner. What? Why is there not runner in here? From Hecate import runner, of course. Alright, cool. Ezekiel says, I got in my head that when learning Linux, I should learn Bash like I am learning Python. I just want to know Linux to work on databases is the right move, or should I dedicate more time to Python? Yeah, Mumi's got the right advice there. Don't waste too much time on Bash. Okay, so we do have width and height here. Okay. So, how does this work? tmux.new session. Not in this file. You know, we're just gonna clone this. We are just going to clone this. Git grab new session. New session. All right, tmux new session -d x width -y height. Okay. So if we do tmux dash the new wait, it was tmux new session -d. I think they're connecting to what? Oh, I sneeze again. What are the options? What is -d? -d, I think is detach. New session is attached to the current terminal unless -d is given. Okay. All right. tmux new session -d, and then was it -x and -y? -x 20 -y 20. Bash tmux send keys tput calls tmux send keys enter tmux. How do I get a screenshot? How does that work? Buffer? List pane? No. Get buffer? Save buffer. Load buffer. Capture pane? Hold on, we do this in our... We do this manually, I think. Runner. Screenshot. Just call screenshot. Color screenshot. Capture pane EPT0. That's what I want. Capture pane -EPT0. What? Where's the output? Oh wait, it was here. Okay, so yeah, so it is not setting the size properly. Okay, so let's run that same set of commands, and then we have a bug report. tmux version, tmux. Oh. tmux do this, tmux send keys, tput calls, tmux send keys, enter. tmux. What was the EPT? I don't even know what that does. Capture pane, man. tmux capture pane. We probably don't need all of those. E is given. Escape sequences. Okay, we don't need that. P is given. Output goes to standard out. Yes, we want that. T is target pane. Okay, so we can just do PT0. tmux capture pane PT0. All right, let's run this. tmux kill session. run this in the old version and the new version and figure out what the fuck happened. There's no dash version. Okay. Oh, we probably need to sleep in between this. Probably need to sleep in between this as well. Okay. Sleep 1. Oh, yeah, sure, 1. Well, surely Bash can start in 1 second, right? Yeah. Yep, okay. That is what I expect to see. And if we go over here... How do I get the version? Dash capital B. Okay. Why is it always alpha? Okay. Okay, so that's what we get there. Okay, we're gonna run this in temp. Okay. I call myself a fairly advanced Linux user and I barely ever use Bash. Yeah. Hecty sounds like Ned Flanders swearing. I think it's good to be at least intermediate with Zish and Bash, so you can easily customize your prompt aliases. Yeah, I don't even know you need to be sufficiently advanced. Like, I think you can get away with just knowing enough. Okay, well, we've got a bug report. tmux maintainer is sometimes a little interesting. We should probably build tmux from source and see if it's a problem on the default branch. This release is almost a year old. Wait, didn't I already report this bug? I feel like I already reported this. Nope, this is a different thing several years earlier. Hey, what's up, cheap web officer? Hello, hello. And fish asynchronous get status use the what? Easy mode type racer. All right, here we go. I don't know what you're saying, Cyberbenny. I'm having a hard time parsing your sentence. Okay, we will be doing a type racer in easy mode. Click join to join, and we will go zoom zoom. And if Chaka's still here, we're gonna lose. Okay, we're gonna make this taller so that I can see the box. All right, good luck, chat. We'll be doing at least one, so if you missed the first one, we'll get on the other one. Ah. 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 Damn it, I choked it at the end. Good job, guessed at 104. Man, this is such a shitty set of sentences. It's like weird grammar, like I couldn't predict the words, and then there's semicolons in there. I'm just complaining because I did poorly. Another one. 0 out of 10. Yeah, fuck this one. All right, one more. Thank you, outdated version, again for the redeem. This one's got a lot of punctuation too. Commas suck. All right. Woo! There we go. There we go. I beat guess this time. We'll do one more because the first one sucked. We'll do one more because the first one sucked. I'll take 108. Yeah, we got some speed teamers today. Look at this. 5 people over 100. Damn. We're zooming. Oh, I understand, Side Running. Yeah, get status takes a while. 88, not even enough for top 5? Yeah, that's wild, right? Usually that's plenty for top 5. Getting a branch name is pretty much instant? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for the sub. I will read it in a second. Oh. That sucked. That sucked. Quark, damn, 132, Zoom, and Jaholo with 20 months of subdom. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Thank you for the redeem again. Outdated version. A bunch of stuff happened during that one. I got distracted. Nelek, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. 4th place. Yeah, I sucked. That one sucked. Rip. Okay, let's check out the build tmux. And if it's fixed on main, then I have to report it to Debian instead, or Ubuntu. Do I have auto tools? Ew. You should run auto update. No, I'm good. Building tmux, what could go wrong? Okay, make dash J5. Compiler go burr. Damn, that is a lot of, that's a long compile length there. D-word Cito, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. The best streamer? I'm giving me too much credit there. Alright, built cleanly. Dinner wow, thank you for the follow, welcome, welcome. Path equals pwid prefix bin path bash dash x t.sh. Okay. Fuck. Oh, that means that it got fixed. Somewhere in the 519 commits. no. Well, I guess we should bisect and find when it got fixed. Sucks. Upgraded SQLite 3 library to the latest SQLite version. It works. Haven't found bugs in the 10 minutes I've been filling it. Yeah, SQLite's pretty stable. Stream compression go burr. Yeah. Yeah. Nice features such as returning star in an insert query. Oh yeah, returning. Yeah, that's a pretty cool feature. Citrus says Anthony's one of the niftiest streamers. Oh. Wow. Citrus has to be the niftiest streamer though, right? Doesn't SQLite have the best test coverage in open source? I wouldn't be surprised if they fix something at 10 minutes. Yeah, SQLite is pretty solid. Some of the most solid software. Why do you want to find when it got fixed? So that I can tell Debian what patch they need to cherry pick. Or I can cherry pick it for them and send them the patch. And or I can make a PPA that has the forked version so that it's not broken. Okay, how am I gonna bisect this? I bet I can remove some of the sleeps so that this is fast to reproduce. Let's remove these sleeps. I think this is the only one I need. Agent Noel, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. How do I... We're gonna rewrite this in Python because I don't know the right way to do this. I basically want to try finally, but... but... I don't know how. Import subprocess main and... We don't need you? I should just do this. Should have written it in Python in the first place. What was I doing? Now we have to rewrite it. So we can just do while not. I know. I'm letting you down, chat. This is very unusual Anthony code. We're just trying to get something quick. If int match 0 does not equal 20, return 1, otherwise return 0. What do you mean? Oh, we're missing a parentheses. Shit. Oh, I want search, not match. Search. 2? What do you mean 2? Oh, because it's Baby Box 2. Fuck. Sure. We can probably just do caret back d plus. Except we need re.multi-line. re.m. I don't remember whether it's multi-underscore-line, but I know m works. Okay, cool. There we go. There we go. Hello, what's up, Komarku, and Lambs, and Agent Noel. Hello, hello. How can I get into or find an open source project to contribute to? I do have a video for this. Is that gonna give you the right video? Yeah, check out this video with my recommendation there. The niftiest viewer. Yeah, there you go, Veltatis. Speaking of fiddling with CLI, yeah, they have mscripted version now, which is pretty cool. I said hi to Lance and Color Marku. Am I off today? I am indeed. I am also not streaming tomorrow, so sorry. It is how YouTube turn on a feature that shows you popular locations in videos. Oh, I haven't seen that. That's cool. Hey Anthony, don't know for Debian, but I know a guy if you want to switch over to Fedora. Nope, not gonna do that. Hey, what's up, Source Child? Sean, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I know some Fedora people as well, so don't have a reason to. But thank you nonetheless. What is tmux? It is stands for terminal multiplexer. It basically lets you. I mean, the way people are supposed to use it is you can, you know, switch between a bunch of like tabs and stuff, and you can do splits and like. This is my favorite feature. And synchronize things. But yeah, it's meant to be like a, I don't know. I don't really use it though, so. Forrest Penguin says Anthony busted out the worst operator. I just joined at the right moment. Yeah, tmux D's nuts. Yeah, there you go. Where does this go? No, it's sad. It's sad. It isn't turned on for my channel. Probably because I'm not enough of a creator, but the only fedora you need should be on your head. Yeah, right. I don't own a fedora though. Lamb says reading the Vuxoid source code yesterday and everything makes sense. Thumbs up, open source. I have actually contributed to that. So yeah, that's the thing that I've done. Okay, bisect.sh, user bin bash. Oh, how am I gonna do this that doesn't take forever? Actually, it doesn't matter. We just make it accurate. Clean auto gen.sh. Also don't care. What's the? There's an exit code if you want to ignore it. 254. Another exit code will abort the bisect process. Terminates via 255. 125 when the current source code cannot be tested. That's what we want. Or exit this. Configure prefix equals PWID prefix or exit 125. Make -j5. Oh, we wanna. Or exit 125. Make install. Exit 125. Path equals with, let's just do prefix with prefix, yeah. Python 3 t.py. Okay. Okay. We'll see what this does. Artheno! Whoa! With the 2-year sub! Damn! Look at that fancy badge you've got now. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Another one of my pandemic subs. Wow. How you doing? How's your Friday? Fixer Jake's got a screenshot of it. Oh, you know what? I have seen this. I didn't understand what it was, but I have seen this. Neat. Interesting. Cool. Yeah, I had no idea. Maybe I need to have what are they called? Markers, the description things. Okay, this seems good. Alright, again, bisect. Actually, let's just check out 3.2 alpha and run our bisect and see if it fails here. It should fail here, I think. And then we can find the patch and have bisect go burr. R Maverick Jr., thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, yeah, good. We have bad smiley face. Oh, I didn't capitalize the B. Oh well. Alright, get bisect begin. Get bisect start. Get bisect bad. Wait, we're going from bad to good. We actually want to do it the other way around. I guess we can do old new. Yeah. Eagle PT, thank you for the sub. At 14 months, thank you for your continued support as well. Good to see you again. Yeah, tmux has a bug that's fixed, but we're trying to figure out when it got fixed so that I can send that patch to Debian so that they fix it. Because right now it's broken. Okay, so I think I actually have to change the exit codes to be the opposite here. Because we're actually going from bad to good, so we want to know when it became good rather than yeah. Get bisect old 3.2 alpha, get bisect new origin head, and then get bisect run bisect.sh. And 8 steps, that's actually not too bad. I'm gonna let this run while I go fill up my water, so I will be right back and I will see you in a sec. I'll just leave this up for you guys. But yeah, I'll be right back. Hello, I'm back. Oh, autogen failed here. Well, that's not good. I guess it's good that I put in those exit 125s though, so that way it knows what to fix. Merge branch OBSD master into master. Wait, why doesn't it let me? Oh, exceeded character limit. What? I wanted to put all of the burns. Twitch chat. There we go. We cannot bisect anymore. Aw, man. There are only skipped commits left to test. The first new commit could be either of these. Okay, well that's helpful, I guess. What is this one? It's up slightly by. It actually is not gonna work here because we're in a separate VM. This does feel like it's related. What about this other one? What are you? Merge branch. Only use client for sizing when not detached. Let's try reverting this and see if it breaks it. Bisect. So this should say bad if we have found the right thing. It's okay, I'll accept switching to Mercurial? Oh no. I have done some Mercurial streams. I was not happy while doing them. Perfect. Okay, so we know what the patch is. So now we can make just want to double check, make sure that reverting this, re-reverting it makes it go back to passing. Just want to double make sure. Okay, good. Perfect. Okay, so this is the commit that we want. Okay. Damn, this is gonna be annoying. Ubuntu bug report. Firefox is the only place I've ever seen you use Mercurial. We did it for... What else did we use Mercurial for? I don't remember. AgoPT says, just sponsored Anthony on GitHub and notice he has 68 sponsors. Yo, thank you for the sponsor. Appreciate that. I'm not going to dox your real name, but I did just get the notification. Thank you, thank you. Get it to 69. I see what you're trying to do. tmux, jammy, ubuntu. Bug reports. New windows don't open in the current working directory. No. That's not what we want. This is such an old bug. Okay, so report a bug. tmux -d -x -y does not respect sizing. Next. What package? tmux. Okay. This was a bug in tmux 3.2 alpha. It has since been fixed on tmux master. Here is my system information. LSB release -a. Jammy. Why did it double space all these? It's annoying. Double spaced that one too. Weird. Let's actually do this with smaller window size so that this doesn't... Oh, it is the same size. Weird. Okay. You can reproduce this pretty easily with... Oh, I should get that shell script. Ba, 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 ba. Cod is delicious. Pai Pai is Mercurial. Pai Pai. That's what it is. Yeah, Pai Pai. That is the one where we've used Mercurial before. Hey, what's up, Shaz? Hello, hello. Hey, I heard this is the home of the Anything Writes Cod podcast. mm. 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 Do 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 do. We're gonna actually stick this little grep-o in here. Grep-eo. Eo. I don't know why I think that's funny, but anytime I type grep-eo inside my head, I go, eo. What? Oh, we put the sleep in the wrong spot. Yo. On 2004, I get the following. Oh, we can just copy this. Starting on June 1st, the Anthony podcast code. No. No. Going back to looking sounds good. Tofu. Thank you for stopping by. Always good to see you. Quinn Gintiliard says, don't want to be that guy here, but I just like that I can fetch package build easily in Arch and modify the build script to fix the package for my system. Yes, but that's a selfish fix. You would really want to fix it for everyone else and not just yourself. And so that's why I'm doing the charitable thing and going and reporting a bug report and even finding the commit that they need and sending them the patch that they need. So I'm not just, doing this lazily. Let's see about the Arch Linux packaging of tmux though. I bet that they have this bug. Because they probably haven't applied this patch. Let's see. How do you see their patches? View file list. No. How do I see patches? Source files, maybe? Package build. Yep, no patches. So, guess what, buddy? It's fucking broken on Arch. If you want to ignore the case, it could be EIEIO. Right. Jazzerbot says, okay, chat, weird question. If you plug one nostril, how easy is it for you to break just through the other nostril? Breathe. Trivial. You probably have a problem. Juice is here. Hi, Juice. How you doing? Welcome. On 2204, I get the following. My parent window is 118 wide. We're gonna fudge the output a little bit. Well, I gotta make it 118 wide, don't we? Fuck. I hate that it doesn't show the dimensions anymore. That's all one of the other reasons that I have not switched. Process.call tmux -capital V. Mash t.sh. I've gone ahead and bisected to find the patch that's needed to fix this. It was originally committed here. Commit. GitHub tmux. Applying that to the packaging of 3.2 alpha should be pretty straightforward. I verify that applying it fixes the problem. Git cherry pick this. Make dash J5. Alberto, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, and I missed Shinjan. Thank you for the follow as well. Are Kubernetes certifications worth it? I actually think no certifications are worth it, personally. But that's just my experience. 3.2 alpha 1, yeah, 3.2a. And then get cherry pick that. Then should really have the rest of the steps. Auto gen.sh. Configure prefix equals put prefix. Make install. This, and then we should get so all that should be needed is to apply that patch. Get show. Oh, and then it fucks the patch because something is buggy about this stupid text box. I don't know why it is buggy, but it is. Gotta delete every other line in here. Noxious. Okay. That seems reasonable. Let's read the rest of this. Are you uncertain if your issue is really a bug? No, I am 100% certain. Please include the source package the bug is in. I have done that here. Source tmux. Oh, why am I in /ko? Not translated though. Korean time on Anthe stream. What? Oops. Source package. Okay, done. And Heavy Ramirez, thank you for the follow. And Potsy, thank you for the sub with Prime. Appreciate it. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. I can barely breathe out of my right nostril. You should maybe see a doctor. Might be causing me sleep apnea. Yeah, that would certainly. Yeah, that would contribute. Being alive is early sign of imminent death. Yes. Yes. Experience is much better than cert saying this is a hiring manager. Yeah. Yep. Coop CTL, how you doing? Welcome back. Good to see you again. Certs are good for recruiter LinkedIn algorithm. I have no certs, and maybe that should say something. I don't know. You also need the release of Ubuntu. Okay, done that. I use -a rather than RD. Yeah, mine has more info. The version of the package you're using. I use dpackage-l. What you expect to happen, what is happening instead. Yes. Done. Great. What is extra options? Oh. Attachment. No, I don't need any attachments. Okay, let me proofread this, press button, and then I guess I'll make a PPA. I want to make a PPA. Okay, source package. This is a bug in tmux 3.2 alpha. It has since been fixed on tmux master. Here's my system information. Got this here. Got the LSB release. Reproduce it pretty easily with this. Blah, blah, blah. On 2004, I get this. On 2204, I get this. My parent window is 118 wide. Go ahead and bisect it to find the patch that's needed to fix this. It was originally committed here. Applying that to package A32A should be pretty straightforward. I verified that applying it fixes the problem. So all that should be needed is to apply that patch. Thanks! Derp. And submit. Wow, I already get 6 fire? Why do I get 6 fire? Surely I shouldn't be 0 fire. Oh my god, this notifies so many people. God damn. Use cybersecurity shit, they're kind of important, but mostly useless otherwise. Yeah, that makes sense. PPA is a... Yeah, it's something like what Quinquama Guntilliard says. What Q says. Private packaging archives. They're not actually private. I don't think that's what it stands for. What does it stand? not PAP. Personal package archives. That's what it is. Personal. There we go. Yeah, more ATIs got you. AZCEV. Azsev. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I thought it was funny when you search Ubuntu EPA. Oh, was it only on Google's actual? Yeah, I missed it. I thought I saw in the tab completion dead snakes in there, which would have been pretty funny. Nox says, hi Anthony, is there a programming language you would like to / plan to learn this year? I don't ever... What's the nice way to say this? I don't really, oh god, it fucked this patch. Oh, probably because it collapsed white space. I don't really... I don't plan. Let's put it that way. At least for learning programming languages, I learn them when I need to learn them. Not just to do it for funsies, usually. It's almost always like, I have a need to build something or modify something in a particular programming language, and so I will learn the necessary skills to do that. I don't have time to try out a language for fun, sadly. Hey, what's up, Waylon Walker? Hello. You kind of get forced to learn new languages, yeah, basically. We're learning Janet the last couple of days. Is pretty nice. I've never heard of it. Would make a good Lua replacement. Oh, cool. There's a solid chance in 5 months I'm going to have to give up and go and switch my brain to Rust. Yeah, I'll probably be doing more Rust just because Sentry has some Rust. But yeah. Exuma, thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How are you doing today? My name is Anthony. I primarily stream open source Python programming. Some of the stuff that I maintain that you may have heard of are PyTest talks, Flake8, pre-commit, PyTest. I already said that. Dead Snakes, PyUpgrade, Babi, my text editor. I don't know, and like a bunch of other stuff as well. But I like tooling. I like testing. I like code formatting, linting, that sort of stuff. Today we're kind of doing a bunch of random stuff. I started with trying to fix a bug in Babi, but then I noticed that tmux is broken, so we're we're fixing tmux in ways. And yeah, so how was your stream? What were you working on? Clinge is here. Hello, hello. Welcome back from Denmark, as always. One day you're gonna move, Lynch, and I'm not gonna know if it's you moving or an imposter on your account. But it's always good to know that you're still in Denmark. Don't forget pie test. I think I said it twice, didn't I? Oh, that's the joke. Duh. I'm self-aware. Welcome to Anthony Writes Code, aka he writes code. Sometimes. Sometimes. Anthony talks for 2 hours and then writes a tiny bit of code. Okay. Let's set up a tmux PPA if I can remember how to do this. Do I have my GPG keys on this? I do not, so we won't be doing it there. Get init tmux jammy fixed. Then we need to get the source package, which is, where's the DSC? Hello? Here it is, DSC. I think I have a script for this. Import DSC. How do you work? Branch name, DSC, dget. Yeah, I think this script will just work. Well, let's try it. Hello. Branch name, ubuntu, jammy. Jammy. And then the DSC file. Blah. Okay. Well, seems to have worked. Cool. My stream my stream was good, thanks. Did some housekeeping on an older project. Nice. What do you usually work on? What sort of project? I will continue with the Denmark brand even if I move. Oh no. William Walker says, do you ever use tmux? I don't. But I use tmux to test babi. So basically the way babi testing works is it basically does tmux and then tmux send keys babi screen.py, sure. Oh. I needed a space, some quoting in there. It basically does this and navigates around the file by sending, inputs and telling it how to interact with the editor. And my test suite basically runs tmux in the background and scrapes the screen based on the output and does tests based on that. That's why I use tmux at all. And it's broken. That's why we're fixing it. But yeah, this is one of the, I think babi is probably the coolest project I have ever worked on, and this is probably the coolest part. Which is such like a nerd thing to do, or nerd thing to say, but it's pretty cool. I'm a big fan of being able to remote control a terminal, which is kind of neat. tmux app is so out of date, missing some good new features like pop-ups. Oh, all kinds of projects. My streams usually revolve around hobby projects. No pressure, and usually what I like. Yeah, well, what sort of... Oh, Flask app. Nice. Older Flask app. Oh, you're migrating to Fast API. Fun. Yeah, it says, I have shitty school health insurance right now. I wonder how I would even be able to see an ENT, but I scheduled something. Maybe I can get a referral. Oh. My school health insurance was amazing. And everything was free. Like, all appointments were free. Prescriptions were minimum copay, but I didn't have to pay to see like any specialists. But University of Michigan also has a hospital on campus and a giant medical program and like a whole bunch of other stuff, so it kind of made sense. Yeah. Are you still happy with the decision to use tmux for the test? It's only broken severely 3 times now. And I have a backup version of it, so I have like the non-tmux version, where I pretend to be tmux. So I can at least use these tests, and they're much faster. Like, these are the non-tmux tests, and they take... Well, that one actually still ran tmux, so... They take somewhere around like 5 seconds to run the full test suite in 3.8. A little faster in newer versions, but it's okay. 6 seconds to run the full test suite. It takes like 4 or 5 minutes with tmux, so there's some trade-offs there. But tmux gives me like a very accurate feeling of what the editor is actually going to work. It's hedge, not mine. Yeah, go Wolverines, hell yeah. Go blue. Let's go. Time for some family time. Thank you for stopping by, Kevin. Always appreciate seeing you. Only got one sunglasses on the baby there. Nice, or on the carpet there. Nice. I'll see you around. Thank you for the gift subs and the bits as always. I live in a country with a hospital on campus and a larger medical program. Nice. Exuma says, I'd love to stick around, but I needed to move my legs. Sounds good. Yeah, don't feel bad about raiding and running. I do that all the time. I totally understand when you hop in a stream and you're like, well, I was hoping to sign off and get some lunch or something like that. Like, nope, completely understand. Have a good rest of your day, and thank you for the raid. Appreciate it. GM Rubik says, I'm building my own keyboard. Today's task is to learn how to use QMK. Oh yeah, QMK is pretty nice. At least from my uses of it. This keyboard uses QMK. This one does not. I don't know what this bad boy uses. It's some like custom thing for this particular keyboard model. But I think QMK would have been a little bit overkill for a 2-button keyboard, you know? What was I doing? Where was I? Where's the... I got distracted again. What was I doing? Where's the one where I was actually doing work? Okay, get branch. We need to check out patch queue. And then we need to cherry pick. We're gonna do this so it doesn't fetch the tags. Okay. We don't actually want the tags. And then... No, it's not that. This one. And then we can get cherry pick this. And then we can PQ export. We're at upstream patch this. And then changelog. BCH-V this plus Acetilly 1. Jammy. Fix resizing. Actually, I should just use the same message as I used before. The Devil Kid, thank you for the reset with Prime at 6 months. Noodle, which gets you a fancy new badge. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. My food is actually sitting right next to me. Nice. My company is looking at machine learning. Any recommendations on what to read up on or how to get started? I know nothing. I don't want to know anything. I don't want to know anything. Finish changelog for this. Okay, now we need to actually create the BPA. Launchpad.net. Launchpad. Me. And we need to make new PPA. Create a new PPA. tmux jammy. Wait. I have a PPA called GNOME Terminal Focal, but I'm pretty sure Oh wait, I just never finished this, didn't I? What is this for? Oh, I was backporting Sixels. Yeah, we just never finished that. I can probably delete that. tmux jammy. Jammy with that commit. With this jammy tmux with this applied on top. Activate. Okay, then we have to build. Will this script work? Can I just use the Dead Snakes build to do this? apt-get install. I think this is actually just gonna work. I think this is gonna work, even though it's gonna try and use the jammy build. Are we hacking on tmux? Yeah, well, kind of. We're pulling something in. What is DCH? It's Debian changelog. Whoa, that was really fast. It makes a changelog entry for Debian packaging. Okay. So we should have tmux, and then I gotta remember how to do the release. Dput cfs is star.changes. Okay, so we just cd into dead snakes. Dput ppa acetyl slash tmux jammy tmux star.changes. In theory, that will build. On machine learn, get curious, download someone's model, fire it up, don't understand any of what's going on, profit greatly. Debian slash this git tag, and then I gotta make a repo for it. Hello. Oh, that was super slow. New repository, tmux jammy. Right. Public. Orphan main. We're just gonna put a remedy here. tmux jammy. A PPA for tmux for jammy, which patches, and then we gotta find our bug. TLDR, and that repository PPA acetyl slash tmux jammy. I have to install tmux. I should probably link the PPA. Where did that go? Oh. Initial commit. Oops, jammy. So that should do that, and then we gotta push all the other branches. Now we should be able to rebuild this if we ever need to. And we will let this build. Wait, is it already built? That was super. Oh no. Okay, waiting. I was gonna say, there's no way it's that fast. All right. I need to go fill my water. I will be right back. I will see you in a sec. All right, we're back. How many backspace keys does your keyboard have? I think it only has one. Yeah, there's only one. There's 2 space bars though. So projects is apply automated suggestions on top of existing projects with ML. Is this an old overlay? Yeah, it's the old overlay. I still haven't updated the new one yet because I kind of want to replace. I want to rewrite it with just JavaScript, so I don't need to run a server for it. But yeah. Did you know that the number 4 is the only number in English with the same amount of letters as the number? Yeah, I think I've heard that before. Yeah. Did you know that arachibutyrophobia is the fear of getting a peanut bar stuck to the roof of your mouth? What is a peanut bar? What is a peanut bar? Never heard of a peanut bar. Do I want to Google that? Peanut bar. Whoa, this thing looks delicious. How have I never heard of this? Because I fucking love peanut butter. How to make crunchy peanut bars. Looks amazing. Oh, I want this. Negative 15 has 15 letters in it? Nice. Pending. 1 successful. That was fast. I guess I'm just used to the Python builds taking like literal years. Deep Chill. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Binary packages. Built files. Well, in theory, we can depackage-i this bad boy. Wget, sure. Sudo depackage-i tmux.deb. Bad password. What are you working on? We are down a rabbit hole. We are fixing the test suite in babi by patching tmux. Yeah. -27 has 27 letters in it? Movie says it doesn't. There's 21. That's not a 7. This also has 16. Feel lied to. Maxil Hausino, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. What am I working on? Yeah, I know what some of those words mean. Okay, so I wrote my text editor. This is my own text editor called babi. And it uses tmux to test itself. Basically, it does something like this. Where it spins up tmux in the background and interacts with it and can, you know, run commands in it and scrape the screen. So if we do tmux capture pane et0, you can basically get the output of what's currently rendered over here, and you can build a test suite around it. So yeah, I use tmux to test my editor. But in the latest version of Ubuntu, tmux was broken in that the background sizing was not implemented correctly. So we found out why it broke and then fixed it and made a PPA for it. Yeah, that's what we did. And reported a bug, which I should go and comment on the bug. This is a workaround. I've made a PPA including that patch in case anyone wants to try it out. Source code here, PPA here. Launchpad has a new icon. When did that happen? Kinda cool. Boop. Cool. Currently waiting for QMK firmware GitHub repo to be cloned. Clone it with --depth1. That's what I did. And then you can clone it real quick. I think I have a video on it. Yes. QMK GitHub. So if we take this, now granted, my network connection is probably faster than yours, but we can clone pretty quickly. Yeah, see, already done. Oh, you probably just want to use depth1, and then that'll save you many sadnesses, because yeah, it has 25,000 commits. So yeah, that'll take some time. Import state of the function was without any check, but having the check this within the function with an early return shouldn't break anything. There's backports of parts of import lib which would reach into this, and if the function fine, try and call it. Then error. By not defining the function, those backports won't even attempt to call it. Therefore, won't crash. Ideally, buff would support calling with multiple positional arguments, starting a process over and over and over is pretty expensive. cloning with depth 1 is a ton faster. Yeah, there's even stuff you can do that makes it go even faster. Like I think it's protocol version equals 2 or something like that. If Sarcastic Dante is here, they have intimate knowledge with this flag because they implemented this patch to pre-commit way back in March of 2019. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty cool though. Okay, let's close some tabs because we definitely don't need all these anymore. Oop. Okay, we make a PPA, good. Is anyone? There's no way someone's replied to this, right? Cool. Almost makes me think that I should test Babi against the latest tmux so that I catch these errors before they do, but that'll be too much work. Too much work. Okay, we know this works, so we're going to merge that, and then I'm going to make a release of Babi. Patch. Grab my PyPI password. PyPI. Copy. And paste. Babi 152. I don't need to clone it faster, I just need to clone enough of the repo so I can run QMK. Set it without the utility complaining, could not find QMK firmware. Yeah. Yeah, makes sense. I don't need to clone it faster? I mean, that's what dash depth equals 1 is for. That's what that video is about. But this goes even faster. But it doesn't matter. Depth equals 1 will finish before you even think about typing protocol version 2 or you know, worrying about changing that command out. So probably doesn't really change too much for you. Okay. Nice. We fixed the bug. 2 PRs. Alright, look at this one. This one I'm probably gonna do that way. Ooh, I don't know how to fix that one. I don't know if this needs fixing. This one is still a problem. I think we can fix. Wait, is somebody working on this? Oh yeah, this patch. Don't want to do that. Let's see if we can fix this. Let me show you the bug first off. I guess today is a Babi stream. I wasn't planning to be a Babi stream, but today is a Babi stream. Oh, good. It looks like they're gonna finally fix Git. Actually, what version of Git got shipped here? Please not 2.36. Oh, thank goodness. So in Git 2.36, pre-commit, all Git hooks no longer have TTYs, so pre-commit loses coloring, which is pretty annoying. Done, replace in last line. You're using 2.36? Yeah, then you're, what's the problem with 2.36? Okay, we can show you. Git, GitHub, git, depth equals 1. Oh. Text message that I need to look at? Oh my god, the GCP console is so annoying. So, blah 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 blah. The if you leave a tab of the GCP console open, it will periodically log you out and log you back in. So I get a 2-factor prompt like every 6 hours that are like, "Are you trying to log in?" I gotta go over my work computer and close that tab because otherwise I'm gonna get pinged on it for every 6 hours, which sucks. Okay, anyway, make prefix equals PWID prefix J5. Gonna put that over here because otherwise it's going to ruin our terminal output. Kenrick Victor, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Still not done. Okay. I'm on Arch, by the way. Yeah. Yeah, you would be on Arch. Lightby says, thanks again for podcast contributions, but every time I type parameterize, my brain hurts. Yeah, I want to change it to params. I want to change it to params, but it's so much work to do that. Because basically what I have to do is make an alias allowed, and then change all the documentation to use the alias, and then eventually deprecate the old name. Which is kind of what we did with yield fixer, so maybe it wouldn't be too bad. But I think params would be way better. Why is it rebuilding? What? Did it fail to build? Alright, well. Oh my god. That's why it failed to build. Where did it install? What? What happened here? What did it do? Geist. Thank you for the resub at 12 months. Whoa. Which gets you your fancy 1-year badge. Thank you for your continued support. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're having a good Friday / Saturday. I guess it could be Saturday. Yeah. Here's my experience with bug fixing. 99 bucks on the wall, 99 bucks on the wall. Take one down, patched up, 101 bucks on the wall. Yeah. Yeah, that's fairly true. Where did it put this? Oh, I put it in my fucking home directory? Oh my god, no. That's such a stupid default. Oh. Oh no. They're gonna make uninstall? Oh. Now I gotta figure out all the places where it pissed on my home directory. That's so stupid. That's so stupid. Okay, so we clearly want to get rid of tilt share. Clearly want to get rid of libexec. And some of this shit we want to get rid of. Oh, that's so dumb. That's so dumb. Why would they do that? I'm just going to blow away tilde bin. I don't think there's anything in here that matters. Easy copy maybe matters. I don't even know what that's from. It is not UTF-8, so I don't know what it is. Probably add or something. I think we can just do this. Oh. What a shitty default. What a terrible default. Okay, that's probably fine. This is what I wanted to do. Hopefully this actually works. Hopefully this doesn't do what it just did, but blah. Hey, what's up, Lost You? Hello, hello. Today an economy student told me about his great idea. He just needed someone to code. Dude, fucking business major. Oh my god, it did it again. Oh no, it didn't. Okay, thank god. Okay, what was I even trying to do here? Oh, I wanted to show you that that get 2.36 is broken. So I path equals with prefix in path. So with get 2.36, there's no colors. Colors are gone. But with previous versions, there's colors. So that's the annoying bug. I can't even see. No colors. I recommend removing the many screenshots, but I might want them. Better than baiting a W3 schools visit? Yeah. They'll pay 5% for the implementation, keeps 95% marketing. Yeah, business students are pretty funny. Yeah. Yeah. You basically explained to me how logistics is a thing and that you need to plan what to ship at what time. Apparently no one has figured it out. Dude, business students are so funny. Oh, they're so funny. But anyway, yeah. The colors are broken in latest kit, is what I wanted to show you. Okay, let's demonstrate this bug though. So if you make a file with lines in it, and you do a regex replace for beginning a line with prefix, you can do this, and then if you do it one more time, now you can't scroll down. And you... Oh, that worked. Okay, so you can kind of recover it. But because you can't scroll down here, like there's some things that you can't do in the editor. So it breaks the end of the file, basically. Yeah. Line 4 of 3 lines. Yeah. Yeah, the editor is not ever supposed to be in this state, so that's why it's a little fucky. So does it make a difference that you're running it in bash-c? No, I did bash-c so that path would apply. Yeah. I just did that so path would apply. I'll show you that it doesn't make a difference. Even though we deleted the old one. --c git commit -m hi. See, makes no difference. The coloring is based on TTY, and -c is just run a subshell. It's the same as doing this, for example. It's still attached to a TTY. If you did this, however, put some stuff in here again, get add -shoe, get add -shoe, and then you did git commit -m wet, and then piped everything, this will remove coloring, because this is, you're piping, so you're no longer a TTY. So that's the difference. But yeah, this is the bug. I don't know how to fix it, so we're gonna try and figure it out. Test slash features replace test. Boo boo boo. Res, we trigger roll backslash some of this, and we are going to replace caret with prefix, and then we're going to do a prefix 9, I think it is. Does it count from 1 to 10, or prefix line 0? line 9. H dot press control end. This should be at x equals 0 and y equals 10, I think. And how do I get the line? I think there's an assertion for that. Basically, we don't want to replace that last line because it's not a real line. I think it's like assert line equals assert. Maybe it's in. Should be in here. F-ass. There we go. Assert cursor line equal. It's weird that I have equals and equal. I probably just didn't find replace properly. Assert screen line equal. I guess we can just do assert screen line equal 10 should be the empty string. Let's see what it looks like. Cubic, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Did you report that bug yet? Which one, Cyberbenny? Yeah, it's the one we're working on. Gamerwick says, why do I have to enter my password for my private SSH key when cloning a repo from GitHub? Because your SSH key is not part of your keychain. So if you add it to your keychain, you shouldn't have to do it. Lobsang says, can you pipe T to remove color from stuff before writing a file? You shouldn't need to. Piping to a file should turn off coloring usually. The coloring toggle is pre-commit is detecting that there isn't a TTY, so it turns off coloring. You would have to undo the coloring. Oh, the get bug? Yeah. They're working on fixing it. That's why I mentioned it at all. I was reading the replies in my inbox. But for instance, just a heads up, it looks like pre-commit coloring is broken in Git 2.36 due to a regression in Git back in April. And so this was my reproduction, and then there has been a lot of back and forth on this because the Google engineer doesn't want to revert and instead wants to fix forward. So there's been a lot of conversation. But they're working on it. So hopefully it'll get fixed at some point. Should I share my private SSH key? You probably should not. Probably not a good idea. We should also do replaced however many things. We should wait for that text before we actually do this assertion. Replaced 10 occurrences. Yeah. Okay, so we have failing test. Good. Perfect. Babi. How does this work? I don't remember. Search RE. Babi file left for replace. Oh boy. If I remember correctly, there's like a search iterator that I just want to make it skip. Be a loop. Search editor. Here we go. I believe all we need to do is subtract 1. Mm-hmm. Well, it fixed the thing. My assertion's just wrong, I guess. Yeah, we're off by 1 here. We will then revert and check, say 11. Cool. Well, that was easy. Failing, and then passing. Sick, let's go. Skip replacing on the last fake line of file. I love how simple this changes, but I'm pretty sure this bug's been open for 2 years. Easy fix. Easy fix though. Resolves 83. Nice. How bad would that be, really? It would mean that someone could impersonate you and do everything that you've done with that, and in theory decrypt prior transactions over SSH and impersonate you going forward. I end up having colorscapes in some files I create using a bash script, looking for a way to strip it all out. What tool is printing those? Because the tool probably 2 parts. The tool needs to get fixed, and then you probably want some replacer. You can, I think my buddy Buck has an uncolor thing that he uses. Buck sort.files. Oh, he's actively working on this too. Mr. Metabyte! Holy shit. Thanks, I'm glad you liked the new video, and thank you for 28 months of subdom. Holy shit. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh god, is it an alias, or is it a bin, or is it a... Holy shit, he has so much stuff in here. Here we go, uncolor. Here you go. Here is an uncolor written in a massive sad one-liner. If you want a thing that does that. Straight out of Bucks.files. Classic non-homer mistake. Damn, too soon, more ATI. Too soon. SSH has perfect forward secrecy though, unless you're running an ancient config, you can't decrypt past connection. Oh, is that true? I didn't know that. Neat. Hope your folks are alright with me being a translator. Of course, GM Rubix. We would accept you whatever anyone is. They're accepted here. Doing pretty alright. Prepping for my interview in an hour. Oh, watching Software Concepts interview prep. Yeah. She, her pronouns. Perfect. Perfect. I will keep that in mind if I need to address you with pronouns. I usually just address people by name though, or use they when I don't know any better. But I do know Buck's pronouns, so that's why I used Buck's pronouns. Fifth round of 5? Holy shit. What in the... what in the, what's the, like, meme with, the fucking meme? Hold on, I gotta look at a memes channel to find the... Something like, what in the deep fried fuck is this? But it's not that. It's something similar. Not in this channel? I'm in my secret memes channel. The barbecue flavored confusion one is very similar, but not quite the meme I'm looking for. Maybe that's the one I'm remembering. Damn. Well, I didn't find it. Oh well. Oh well. But anyway, I was gonna say, what the like deep fried fucking Google is that bullshit? Oh, it is Google. Okay, can't predict it, I guess. Wait until you hear about GPG signing. You can already include someone else's name and email in a commit. SSH only ensures that you have the right to push and not that you are the person. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah. Oh yeah, you. Yeah, there's yeah, you're confusing the the Twitch staffer juice. Oh, wait, what is the Twitch staffer's name? It's not Metabytes. It's something similar though. You are right. I know who you mean. What in the cinnamon toast fuck is this? I think that might be it, Sticks. That might be the meme. Is it bad that I'm already so hyped for Advent of Code and it's only May? Yo, that reminds me, we have not worked on Advent of Code in a while. How far did we get in 2016? Day 7, 4 months ago. This was in January, right? Oh no, this was in March. Oh no, yeah, this was in January. So this is when I still had the bug for AOC. We should probably finish these at some point. I did 2017. All I have left to do is 2015 and 2016. But we never finished this. Maybe we'll do one day. Today. Oh, I have to pack pretty soon. I have about 20 minutes and then I gotta pack. Maybe even less. I don't know when my dad wanted to leave. See. Mr. Byte? Can't you just go to... Oh. Can't spell your Twitch handle? Oh, you probably don't list the staff as your team though. You probably list programmers. Oh, stop. No, shush. How do you get to the staff team? Twitch staff team. Like, is it gonna be listed there? Oh, we gotta load the whole list in first. Only streamers are listed there? Oh. I see. Well then. I bet you all hate that this page exists because people just come to these and are like, oh, I wonder who's streaming, and then click on their channel and then go, can you unban me? Blah blah blah. Like, this is the most unfortunate Twitch page. Anyway. Oh, we merged it already. I don't remember doing that. That's fine. Cool. All right, we can do another bump. Patch. There we go. Oh, it's Mr. Byte. Yes, that is indeed who it is. Yes. They stopped by this channel as well. I don't think I've ever seen... Hey, sarcastic Dante. I don't think I've ever seen Mr. Metabytes and Mr. Byte at the same time, though. We can actually check that, though. Let's see. Blah, 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 blah. Pipe guy token. Yes. Sarcastic Dante! How are you doing? We were talking about you earlier. Welcome back. Damn. Just coming in here and dropping that 3-year sub. Holy shit. Woo. Damn. Good to see you again. How you doing? I'm gonna have to make a special badge for you because I don't have a 3-year badge yet. Oh wait, you have Founder's badge. Never mind. You already have a special badge. I can defer that even longer. You have at least once because I've talked to them. Oh. Grab -L -IL Mr. Byte in logs. Grab -IL metabytes. Oh, x arcs. Yeah. Oh, twice in fact. There's Mr. Bite. Staff Roo Scream. Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, look at that. I dig the name Kappa. Yo. we have found the evidence. This is your old handle though. But that's pretty pog. It also happened again. Wow, that was in 2020. It also happened. Well, actually, this is probably us talking about it today. Yeah, so this was the one time it occurred. Yep. Yep. Cool. Cool. Confirmed. Remote branches. Digging in 2022. Oh no, what? Wait, what? No, that was today. That's today. I didn't know you logged all chat. It's kind of cool and concerning. It's so you can do cool stuff like this. You can do chat rank Mr. Metabytes and know that you are exactly OX 100. And you can also do chat plot Mr. Metabytes. And if you want your old usernames to work, you can add your aliases in the code. We have a few aliases already from individuals that have changed their names. Where is it though? I think it's actually in the chat rank. Yeah, so here's our current set of aliases. If you wanted to add more, you could do that. But you also have chat plot, where you can see how much you chat over time and your trend line. Chat plot. When do we get Vim contributors? There is that. Top 5 Vim bits? Is that what it is? Potsy, hello, welcome, with your one message. Is it this? Yeah, so you can see the top Vim bits. That's also a command. I have receipts for everything. We can see like you can also put multiple people on the plot. So what if we did where's Marsha's underscore? Well, if we wanted to put Juice and Marsha on a plot, for instance, we could see two people's trend lines. There's some pretty cool stuff in here. Wait, Cyber Benny, it's been years. It's been like a whole year since Marsha changed their name. That's bugged. We've been just sitting in silence. My chats are really high during AOC. Yeah, yeah. That tends to happen. You spent $50 on Vim. I did kind of scam you. I kind of owe you some, to be honest. I did say it was both cool and concerning. Yeah, well, Twitch logs your stuff too, so it's not really that different. But I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. It means we can do other stuff. Oh, also, Streamlabs and Stream Elements log all your shit too. It's like some channels have like view time, which is I think is even creepier. I don't have any of that stats though. But I can trust Twitch, right? I can trust Twitch. Slurring together my words today. Yeah, they definitely don't leak their entire source code and and you know earnings and home addresses of top end streamers. Yeah, that never happens. Definitely don't have a list of staff addresses somewhere. But I think your bigger thing is to be like, I can trust Amazon. To which like, no, you cannot. Oh, is your phone number? I thought it was your old address. I thought it was your the previous city in which you lived in. I think you talk about it in stream, so I can probably say what it is, but I'm not going to because yeah. You can't, it's Amazon? Yeah. Yeah, it was your old address, see? But some people probably still lived at those addresses. But anyway. tmux, jammy. Cool. Well, that was pretty nice that we were able to find the bug pretty quickly and fix it. Oh, did I bump 3.9? What are you, to-do file? Enable jammy nightlies. Why do we have tildes here? Nope. Lol deleted instead. Cool. Alright, well. That's to done, I think. Where was the alias file I got time to kill? It's in chat rank in this repo. tmux was borked? Yes. Do you want to see how it just borked? If we do, well, we can just check out 3.2 alpha and do it there. Okay, so we've got the version of tmux which is available in Ubuntu Jammy right now, 3.2 alpha. This is also the version that's currently shipped with Arch. So before you all are like, well, I run Arch actually. Well, you have this bug too then. So the problem is if you tmux, what's the fucking thing here? Where's my t.sh? Is it here? Oh fuck, where is it? We're not gonna be able to find it, are we? This one seems promising. Ah, there we go. Okay. So if you start a session with, in the background, detached with -x width -y height, it should set the width and the height. So if we run this, if we run this on 2004, you'll see that it correctly sets the width to 20. We ran tput calls to see the width here. But if we take this same little script and run it in 2204, path equals quid prefix bin. I've already patched it, so that's why I'm using the built one. But if we run this in 2204, it inherits the width from the calling terminal, which breaks all of Babi's tests. So that's why it was broken. The streamers are basically Amazon employees. Are they allowed to pee in a bottle during work? Probably. As long as it's not on camera. Actually, I don't know. I'm not gonna try and interpret the TOS, and I am not gonna I'm not gonna tread that boundary. Just says there's been a DoorDash deal for a week now where if I get a falafel hero bowl and a side order of falafel for $5.50, I get $5 off, so I get 5 extra falafel for 50 cents. Yo, that sounds amazing. I fucking love it. Hey, look at the bot doing its job, GM Rubix. Is that message correct? Why would it be wrong? Not that bad. Who uses Hecate for tests? Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it shouldn't be that bad, except if you look at man tmux, and look at new session. Where's the actual thing where it talks about this? There's literally a line that says it doesn't work that way. Never trust a bot. I mean, the bot's not wrong. There is a 2204 VM. Yeah, that's what this is in the foreground. This is the 2204 VM, but I haven't moved over yet, so most of the stuff is still in 2004. We only did 2204 because I wanted to reproduce this specific bug. And we did. And then we made a PPA with a new version of tmux, so we are running 3.2a-4 build 1 plus asyntatically 1, which cherry picks a tiny 2-line patch. Tmux, jammy. We did all this today. Yeah, shush. Actually, we do want to look at this branch. Debian patches, and this is the patch. This is the patch. Basically a little one-line if statement. Cherry picked from Nick M. I don't know who Nick M is, but thank you, Nick M, for your patch. Appreciate it. And yeah, that was all I needed to fix this. I need to turn off this thing. Keys. Shoot. Roy-X. And then I wish I could set the default for that, but alas, I cannot. I wonder if I can. Maybe I can't. Can I set it in here? No, I've already set it here. Oh well. May try. But yeah. Anyway, we fixed that. Fixed two baby bugs today. I think I'm the maintainer of tmux. Yeah, that would make sense. Yeah. Yep. They are indeed. Isn't that like isn't that a crypto exchange? Maybe it's not. I don't know. Anyway, I think we're gonna cut things a little short today because I have to pack. I am going to be not computering for at least a day. I think I'm gonna still bring my computer for emergencies, but I'm gonna try and not computer for a day. So tomorrow's stream is canceled, so that's not gonna happen. Because I am going up north with my dad, and if you're not familiar about up north, I live somewhere around here, and a lot of us Michiganians, whatever the fuck you want to call them, usually travel up somewhere here or in the Upper Peninsula to hang out and, I don't know, go on boats and drink and go to summer houses sort of things. So we're going up to my recently deceased grandmother's cottage that I am going to eventually be purchasing and hanging out there. And not computers, not computering. So we're going up to a little teeny town north of Gaylord called Wolverine. Yeah, doxed. Oh, I'm in the state of Michigan. You fucking got me. Now you can show up at my house, Citrus. May the mosquitoes be kind. Yeah, we'll see what happens with those. Hey, what's up, Swifty Spiffy? Hello. We got two wrenches in the chat. Not computering, D:. Yeah, well, sometimes it's good to step away from the computer. Do Wolverines live in Wolverine? That's the funny thing about Wolverines is I'm pretty sure they don't live in Michigan at all. Do Wolverines live in Michigan? I'm pretty sure the answer is no. There are currently no Wolverines in the Wolverine state, other than a few in Ann Arbor. They're in like zoos and stuff. The last known specimen is in the stuffed animal collection of Traverse City. It was killed in the 1860s. There's no evidence that wolverines were ever commercially trapped in Michigan. Which is wild. Which is wild. What about where do wolverines live? I want a map. Does this have a map? Kind of. Huh. I see. There are apparently some in California. Daxa, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I'm gonna make a ton of snowmen outside your house. Well, fortunately, we got our last snow mid-April, so there's no snow left. Thank goodness. Enjoy not computing? Yeah, it should be pretty good. Other than that, the other news that I have is I withdrew on the offer from my house, so I'm back to house searching. which means at the end of June, I'm going to be moving out of my apartment into probably my dad's house. So streams will be different or weird, or I don't even know if we'll be able to stream because I don't know what my dad's internet connection is like. So we'll see what's up with that. Anything else? Oh, and for those of you that missed at the beginning of the stream, I always talk about how I don't read books. I have read one book, and that is because I was a technical reviewer on this. So there's a foreword which I am mentioned in on this page. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but right there, that's me. But anyway, I have a copy of this book now. I do actually recommend it, not just because I reviewed it, but yeah. Sad goodbye house, no anything stream. Yeah, well, we will probably. I will try and stream. I will do my best to stream. I might make my dad upgrade his internet connection just so we do it. But yeah. That your grandma's house? You were going to move to? Oh, I wasn't going to move to my grandma's house. Yeah. Bang book. Oh yeah, I don't have. It's not my book. it's by Brian Oken or Oken. I actually don't know how to pronounce his name. I should probably learn how to pronounce his name because I chat with him all the time. But yeah. Do you read any non-tech books? Oh yeah, I read literature. But yeah. Hey, what's up, Vinit Gamey? I'm heading out though now, so this is kind of end of the stream. I gotta go pack and get things together. Is the book okay? Yeah, I recommend the book. It's very good. Johnny, welcome. Welcome here. It's good to see you. Cabin coder lifestyle. Yeah, I could, but the internet there is really bad. Did you already terminate your apartment contract? I did indeed, and they don't have any month-to-month options. So, such is life. Drinking stream with Popsatilla. Yeah, maybe we could do that. If the phone connection's not so bad, we could make that happen. Play games? Oh yeah, we'll probably play some. We might play chess, which would be funny. So, my dad and I used to play a lot of chess when we were kids. My dad, my brother, and I would play a lot of chess, and we stopped as soon as my brother and I were better at chess than my dad, and then we never played. You've been on their podcast like 3 times? I've been on their podcast like 6 or 7 times. I always just said Brian. I just never. You don't really say people's full names in conversation all that often, right? Hey, what's up, Anton? Hopefully not too late. Well, yeah, it's a little too late because I gotta pack because I'm going up north. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by. Let me do my little spiel. We'll send you off to another channel. Sergio says, thank you for the stream. Hope things calm down for you, though. If you want to talk about it, I'm here. All right, I'll reach out to you and let you know everything's going on. Yeah, appreciate you allowing me to be a contact that way. But yeah, my name is Anthony. I upload educational content to YouTube 3 times a week. Today's video is the longest video I think I've ever uploaded to my channel about, well, in this playlist. I used to upload stream VODs, so not quite. But big long video about Python 3.11, so if you want to learn all the new things, check those out. It's yeah, it's a pretty good one. I also upload my previous VODs to my second channel, so check those out there. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. Of course, Saturday's stream is canceled this week. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I announce what we're going to do, and I had no idea what we're doing today. Today was sort of unscheduled, unplanned, just kind of go up and code some stuff. Yeah, anyway, announces there. I also announce on the Discord, which you are free to join. It's a nice little community. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask questions, and there's a bunch of smart people that can answer those, and there's a bunch of other fun social channels as well. But thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.